Hello friends, welcome to our channel Be a Believer. Today we are going to talk about Chanakya Niti and how this will help you to get success in your life. Chanakya was born into a Brahmin family and received his education at Taxila. He was a great thinker, economist, jurist, royal advisor, philosopher, and his teachings have been put together in two books. Number one, Arthashastra, and second one is Chanakya Niti. He is referred as the pioneer economist of India. Let's talk about lessons that have given by Chanakya. Number 1. The biggest guru mantra is never share your secrets with anybody. It will destroy you. This lesson one must have to understand as mostly we are very much open with our so called friends and shared all the secrets which afterwards become a nightmare as they are revealing all our secrets. So never ever share your secrets with anybody as it will destroy you mentally and physically. Try to digest your secrets as it is very difficult to trust any person. So, if you want to live happy and peacefully, then don't reveal your secrets with anyone. So, never reveal your secrets. Instead, just hold it in yourself for a happy and peaceful life. Second, before you start some work, always ask yourselves three questions. First, why I am doing it? You should know the firm reason for doing a particular work. If you have no clue, then you should stop doing it as it would be very difficult to get success. If you know the reason, then ask second question, that is what the result might be. You should also aware about the outcome. By just knowing the reason, you cannot go for it unless and until you know about the result as well. And lastly, ask, will I be successful? You have to ask this question to yourself as whatever we are doing, it is just to get success. So if you get satisfactory answer from yours, then you have to go for it and you will definitely get success for sure. Number 3, a man is great by deeds, not by birth. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake. But if you die poor, it's definitely your mistake. A man is great by its deeds and not by birth. A successful person knows by its good deeds, utmost hard work, sincerity, and punctuality. Number 4. Education is the best friend. An educated person is respected everywhere. Education beats the beauty and the youth. Everyone must have to be educated and you have to be pride if you are educated. If you are educated, then you will be respected everywhere and people will talk with dignity and respect. You will be pleased everywhere and appreciated in society as well. Even education beats the beauty as well. If you are suppose beautiful but not having any sense of how to talk, how to behave, then that beauty is having no value. So make sure that you will get education for living a better and respected life. Educated person never disrespect anyone and always respect society. Number 5. As soon as the fear approach is near, attack and destroy it. Sometimes we are stopped doing things because of fear of failure, and that's where we get failed in our life. Fear has broken many dreams. So, whenever you feel to get fear of anything, then attack it and destroy it before it catch you. Means if you have a fear of doing something, then just do that thing as soon as possible. Once you will do that, then automatically your fear will gone away and a road of success will be open up for yours. Once you do the impossible thing, then your confidence level get booster and you will get enormous amount of confidence. Number 6, there is some self interest behind every friendship. There is no friendship without self interest. This is a bitter truth. It is rightly said that there is no friendship without any self interest. Every friendship is working on that self interest. Once that self interest gets served, then you will find breaks in your friendship. It is bitter truth and we have to accept it. Number 7, there is no present and future of the lazy people. For lazy people, there is no present and no future, as they believe in only one thing, and that is procrastination. And because of that, they are making things delay and always get failure in their life because of their nature towards the work. So, for such people, there is no present and there is no future. Suppose if you are lazy, then just come out from the comfort zone and start fighting battle, as only this thing will help you to get success in your life. So don't be lazy. Instead, start working with full energy and full intensity. Number 8, a person who cannot decide his goal simply cannot win. You cannot win unless you know your goal. If you do not have any goal, then you cannot get succeed, as you are not at all aware about your goal. So to get success in life, first decide the goal so that you can make plan to get success and start working on it. Only then you can be successful. So firstly, know your goals and start working on it till you get success on that. There are chances that you will not get success in the first attempt, but it's okay, as you can try the second time, and this time you knew the reason of failure. So there are huge chances of your success in the second time. Number 9, money comes and goes, so is the youth. Life goes and goes the soul. Nothing lasts forever. The only thing that stays firm is your faith. It is rightly said that money comes and goes, and so is the youth. Even life and soul, everything will gone, as nothing lasts forever except your faith on yourself. If you believe in yourself, then you can do anything and everything in your life. You have to believe in yourself. Only then world will believe in you. Your faith should not be distracted with any downsides. Instead, make it firm and win the battle of your life. Number 10, a true son is obedient, a true father is loving, and a true friend is honest. A true son is always obedient with parents and elders. A true father is loving, kind, and caring. And a true friend is honest and not having any kind of biasness. Number 11, never settle for anything less than what you deserve. It's not a pride, it's self respect. Never ever compromise for anything. You will get all the things at a right time. Once you start compromising, then it would become your habit and anyone will get the benefit of it and will misuse it. So never ever play with your self respect, as you are known for your self respect, and once it affects, then you will lose your identity. So these are the lessons that one must have to be keep in mind to live happy, peaceful, and successful life. If you like this video, then press the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe our channel for more such important and useful contents. Thank you so much.